Welcome to today's class. The name still remains Daniel Boatin. We have done a lot, and today we are going to look at how to play Yaa Amponsah at F major. If you are not a member to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, check the notification bell, leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. We are going to look at Yaa Amponsah at F, just as you saw from the introduction. Playing Yaa Amponsah at F, you may decide to use this device, a Capo. You may choose to use this device, a Capo. You clip it here, you clip it here, and then you can play everything as you see. As for this one, you already know this. So what makes the difference? The difference is this one. Playing without the Capo. So if you are still not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Now look at this shape. Look at this shape. The C shape over here. The C shape over here. So let me bring the camera very close, very close, very close. Okay. So we are playing everything here, but this time we are going to omit the root here. We are going to do away with this root. All right, we are not going to use the root here. So take this fourth finger off, then you bring it to this side. So I'm covering fret 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, fret 5, 6, 7, 8. Now as you can see on the chord diagram, as you can see on the screen, the chord diagram I'm talking about, this is F7th, this is F7th. So you can play your Yaa Amponsah very simple like this, okay, the finger movement. You can see that. All right, so very simple. Let's do it. Okay, it is very simple. You just have to take your time and then do this. Some people also prefer playing it that one too. There's no problem with that. There's no problem with that. But like I said, you want to be a professional. So to become a professional, you can learn this one. Yes, the Amponsah. Okay, so going through the Amponsah and doing the Amponsah over here brings the difference. Okay, other than that, you have to use a Capo. Other than that, you have to use a Capo. But if you play with a Capo, sometimes you miss a lot. All the chords up here, you will not be able to play. Everything up here, you will not be able to play. All right, so if you clip, then it limits you. So that's why I am recommending you to I'm recommending this shape or this style of Yaa Amponsah to you. This one, you know everything, like you were doing it in C. Okay, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. So you keep on do your thing here. So the request that you made, that how can you play Yaa Amponsah at F? This is Yaa Amponsah at F. Yaa Amponsah at F. I have given you two options, whether you play with a capo, which will limit you, but you can play everything as C, or you play capo free. We call it capo free. All right, so you try your best. You try your best. In the initial stages, it's not easy at the initial stages, but with time you'll be able to do them. Okay, you'll be able to overcome this stress. Okay, some people if it is C, you'll be. By this time, you can also play it duet like. Okay, very simple. Have fun doing some of these things. Have fun. You have to just play with it. Play with it. All right. So and then okay. Said you would do no. Just play with it, play with it, play with it. In no time, it becomes part of you. All right. Practice, they say, brings perfection. All right. So if you practice and practice well, the perfection will come. So guys, this is Yaa Amponsah at F. Yaa Amponsah at F. The chord shape is like this. We play this chord. Then we also play this chord. This one, I will call it B flat. Is it B flat? 6 or G minor. I'll call it G minor. You can of G minor F, the way G minor Y. Now above will C. Okay. As you so, and then you get your F like this. Okay, so very simple. You can hear the mi fa so, mi fa mi fa so, mi fa mi fa so mi. All right, So the Mposa brings the bass line mi fa so mi fa mi fa so mi fa mi fa so mi fa mi, something like this, and you are good to go. So guys, the lead guitar is very should I say simple? Okay, if I'm allowed to say simple, yeah, lead guitar is very simple to play. So you take your time and then watch this video to the full time, you understand. So if you have not subscribed still, kindly subscribe, share the video, and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. So as times passes by and then you add some speed, okay, you add certain speed, then you are good to go. So guys, today I brought to you Yaa Amponsah at F major. I've been able to give you two options with a capo and without a capo. So sit down, pick up your guitar, and spend some time on it and work out. We will meet next time for another interesting lesson.